you know that biodiversity is very important for making a healthy ecosystems? Not only that, it is also important for the economics, food supply, and all of the things you could think of. Keep watching as we explore the importance of biodiversity and how do we preserve it.
For to put it simply, biodiversity is the variety of life. There are three main types of biodiversity. The first one is genetic diversity, meaning the genetic variability present within the species. The second one is species diversity, the variety of species, abundance of species. And the last one is ecosystem diversity, the variation in both terrestrial and aquatic ecosystems.
Biodiversity is important in food security, the making of medicine, job creations, and more. But this leads to an important question. How do we preserve the diversity of life? One of them is by implementing an ex-situ.
Ex-situ is a word from Latin literally means off-site, meaning that the animals in ex-situ are not native to the area. The main purpose of ex-situ is to protect endangered species, variety or breed of plant and animal outside its natural habitat. The example of ex-situ would be a zoological park, wildlife sanctuary, or gene bank. However, it has its disadvantage compared to the other way of preserving biodiversity.
Ex-situ requires a lot of money to maintain the populations of the animals. Besides, the artificial environment may not be suitable compared to the animal's natural habitat. Not only that, ex-situ conservation is not applicable to all species, meaning it can be difficult to provide a proper habitat. But in spite of that, ex-situ is a really good way to preserve the biodiversity because
Ex-situ kept animals safe from external threats such as predators and poachers. In a controlled environment with all the needs provided. Furthermore, they are an invaluable resource for research. They provide a greater understanding of animal needs. Scientists can also carry out studies difficult to do in wild populations. Lastly, they educate the public about endangered species and conservation efforts, and has the potential to reintroduce organisms back into their natural habitat. So that you've known the benefits and drawbacks of ex-situ conservation method, let's go to our conclusion.
Ex-situ conservation method is one of the ways to preserve our biodiversity outside its natural habitats. It keeps animal and plants safe from external threats and educates the public about conservation efforts. Over 14,000 species around the world are facing the risk of extinction. Scientists follow a specific set of criteria to determine if ex-situ conservation is suitable to protect these species. Charismatic, rare, and agricultural species are prioritized. Animals are kept in zoos and aquariums to provide a safe environment and research opportunities. Captive breeding programs often take place in zoos. Plants are kept in seed banks or botanical gardens. Ex-situ conservation keeps animal and plants safe from external threats and educates the public about conservation efforts. However, ex-situ conservation is expensive and can impact the behavior and genetic diversity of animals in captivity. That's it and that's all for our presentation.